Hey guys, so we are staying at Banyan Farm Tourist Park this week. We're here so Jim can go fishing on the Daly River and also just to check this place out. There's animals to feed, there's sheep, there's cows, there's horses, there's a pretty cool pool, and yeah, the place is just really beautiful. So let's go and check it out. So the park is actually closed at the moment for the wet season, but we've just been lucky enough to be able to stay here. But this is like the bistro area, like restaurant kind of thing. It's huge, big stage up there. It'd be so cool to stay here when it is open because the vibe would be pretty cool. But let's go up to the pool.
Close your mouth, you'll get a mouthful of water. I can't carry comfort now.
Cooper, jump to me.
Day 5 of trying to catch a barra here on the Daly River. I'll go jump in the boat and try and get one today.
Oh. Is he still on there?
Oh! 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 Yes!
Get him.
Don't go into those snags. Don't go
Come
into
on.
those snags.
Get out.
Come on. Come on. Oh, look at him. Look at him.
Oh, yes.
Beauty. What a beauty. Come on. In the net. Come on.
Bring him, bring him. Oh. Yes!
Oh, you beauty. Oh. Yes. Yeah, we're on.
Woo!
How good. You little ripper.
No tag. There's dinner.
Oh.
Oh, he's a good shark. Oh no. Snapped it. Bummer.
Over here. Oh, gonna take a bit of work. Come on.
He's not as good as yours. Oh, yes.
Isn't that? Oh.
Come on. Yeah!
Beautiful. Very nice. Well done.
Woo!
Nice. Yeah.
So after 5 days of trying here fishing, we finally snagged two. Got a 75 and a 65. Callum got the bigger one, but I let him. The grind paid off. Bloody oath.
You gonna hold one? No?
What's up, mate?
Can you wash them?
You gotta hold it, Kens, for a photo.
I'm on dog again.
Barramundi.
Barramundi.
So watch him
Big
hold you.
Baz.
Oh, did you both
Barramundi.
get one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yep.
Very good.
See, Lee? Guess what? Dad's caught a bigger barra than you.
No!
By this much. That's how much bigger he is.
Awesome. I'm
Yeah.
excited.
I'll let Callum catch that one.
At least your rice still cold.
No, we both got one.
Yeah, it's bloody stoked.
Well,
Like
right when
a
we first
similar
got it,
spot, or
the exact same spot.
really?
Yeah, I reckon.
Oi!
Right. So after this morning's episode, we're going back out again. We're going to throw a couple liveys in and try get another couple barra, because we're running low on food, very low. So we need to start catching some more. So let's go get some.
Come on.
He must still be snagged. Yep, he's out. He's out. Into him. Right up, right up.
Right up.
Yep.
Oh, yes. Yes.
Yes!
Oh, yes. Yoo! Barra! My first Barra.
So good.
Oh, yes. Hello, gorgeous. Has it got a tag?
No.
No tag.
Don't worry about that later.
Pretty big.
No tag. He's about 65 again.
Damn it.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
First Barra! Quick, quick. Before the croc gets it.
On the lure.
Yes. Oh, I've got to stop swearing. All right, go, go, go. All right, you in? Only a little one. All right.
Let the line out.
Yep.
No, no tags. You've just stolen me dream. Get one on the lure.
Fishy, fishy. So, our friends have just cooked us up this delicious dinner. Barra that they caught today. Looks pretty good. Let's try it out. What kind of, what's that again? Beer batter.
Beer batter.
And then just on the grill, I reckon. I'll quickly try some. It's really good.
Yep.
You should try
Anyone
it.
want lemon? Oh.
No, I'm fine, thank you.
No, good, thank you.
No, they're good, but I would like one, please.
It's really good. Mmm.
Yum.
Another day, another Barra'S sesh. Let's go.
Do it. Barra are on.
We're back at the honey hole. Try to get a few more out of here, right?
Let's do it. There's a skippy up there. Come to watch the show.
Let's go. I can see him.
Cruising past. Here he comes.
Hey guys, so we're just heading over to feed the animals. They feed them at 6 every night and you get to put their feed into the buckets. The kids love it, so let's go and do that.
And ride it, if we're allowed to. Is he already there?
I don't know. There is a little bit going on here at the moment at Banyan Farm. They're actually building a croc enclosure, so that's what all of this stuff is. Because as I said earlier, this place is closed at the moment, but yeah, here's the croc enclosure. We'll go around so you can actually see it. There it is. So next time we visit, it'll be all up and running and there'll be a croc in there. Yeah, pretty cool.
Billy boy. Billy boy.
Here's big boy Billy. Those ones are done.
For Billy, Bub.
This one?
Straight in there, right in the hole.
Boy.
Good job, Cooper.
There we go. Now take the bucket back and we'll fill it back up. Sorry. Put it up so Sissy can have a go. Good job.
Give me my car.
Yep, that one's ready to go.
All good.
Sort of only give him 1.5 at the moment.
Alright, go. Did Cooper get it back? You're done that one.
Up to the blue tub.
Okay, that one.
Straight up to the blue tub, Lacey. Good job.
please be a tag. Please be a tag. Don't tip us in. He's decent. Come on. Sorry. Catch. Next one. Next one. In. Oh. Oh, he's decent.
Yes.
Hey, Barra.
No tag. Oh, still
How does
feed.
it feel?
So good.
We're going to catch a shark off the little jetty, what do you call it? Where the boats dock. And we'll try and catch a shark.
Yes, big shark. Big bait, big shark. Nikki's going to go for a surf behind it. She's going to get pulled in. Should be interesting.
Going.
He's on proper.
Mum, now.
Now one. No, don't go all the way down.
Real now?
Yeah, go down. Yep.
Where's it go through?
Oh, it's gonna snap.
No, it's fine. Keep going.
Oh, good.
Let's come down this way, Nick, because you're going to go.
Hello. John.
No, he's still on. That's just a bait.
Oh, that's just the head. Come on, Nikki, wind it in. You can.
Come on, Nicky, come. Do it.
Girls, away from the edge a little bit, please.
Just wait there, mate.
Cooper, stay here. Away from the edge, buddy.
Did you hear the gaff?
Oh, Nicole, someone can run up. You're not near gaff stage yet.
It's like braiding somebody's head like this.
He gets close, he'll want to run, so be ready.
Where?
Move back.
Oh my goodness.
Don't lift it up so high, Nikki, because if it snaps, you're going to fall backwards.
Oh my goodness. Look, the boat that doesn't
Careful, there's a hook there.
You having some shark for dinner?
In a week.
Oh, that's right, in a week.
Get him up.
Oh, he's very close.
He won't be ready, he'll go in a minute. If he goes under, put the rod in the water.
Did you just say that?
What do I do, reel or not?
Yeah, you got to get it.
Oh
Got
my
to tie him out enough.
He is so big. Where's Cooper?
Yeah, that's not my rod.
No, just don't. Just keep like that.
Callum's got the gaff.
I'll try it.
Is it a hammer?
That's bull shark.
Wonderful.
No, mate.
What can I also do that?
Bull shark.
Bull shark?
Bend, keep it down. Bend it out. Pull him out. Yeah. Pull it out. Pull him out. Pull him out. Pull it out.
It's not far, Nikki, because we can see the...
Don't go so hard.
Look out! There's the boat! There's the boat. Look! Get him! I think we need the gun to shoot him. So we go swim it away.
Oh no.
We almost got
So close.
Damn.
Oh shit, look at that.
Well, next one.
Did you see any crocs? I can see one. Oh yeah. Are they freshies?
Yep.
Oh, he's on again.
Oh, yes. Oh, no.
Spat it.
Yep. That was a better fish. Oh, no. Oh, yes. Oh, he snapped it.
What did he snap?
got him.
Have ya? No, have ya really?
Yep,
Where's the GoPro?
on my head.
Oh, he spit it.
No, he's still on.
He's gone.
No, he's still there.
Oh, he's still on.
Yeah, he is. He's not legal.
He's tagged. We'll drop the net.
No.
Good barrow.
Yeah, it's a barrel.
It's brilliant. No tags.
No tags, too small.
Oh, getting good. All right, mate.
And now you've done it.
Did he hook the...
Hook the net. That's right. Just set it down and you can keep on trying to catch a fishy.
Oh, good little strike, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Maybe just an hour or two.
No, normally the dark, like the less light the better for this sort of fishing, yeah.
See you, buddy.
51, 50.
I'll see you another day.
Alrighty, so that's a wrap for this week's video at Banyan Farm. I thought we'd done a video in the car about how much we loved it there, but we didn't, so we're just doing a quick one now. But we all loved it there. It was bloody awesome. We found some barra after a few days searching. We ended up, I think, with 11, and 9 of them were keepers. That was good. The whole park was a good vibe.
You can just cut that in, or you can cut it in and just say about...
Alrighty guys, so that's a wrap up for this video. I thought we had a video of us all in the car talking about it, but we don't. So we're just going to do a quick fill-in video now. We all loved Banyan Farm. We all really enjoyed it. The kids loved the animals, I loved the fishing. Nikki loved the mangoes there because I had plenty of mangoes on the trees. I think we ended up with 11 barra for the week there, and 9 of them were keepers, which was awesome because we were running real low on food. We'll definitely be back there sometime in the future because it was awesome. We might even go up there one year for the Barra Nationals because they hold it there, and we'll check it out in its prime time, I reckon. Anyway, get up there, check it out, bloody awesome. Yeah, we'll see you next week on the next video.